The Dow did some selling today. We're in a stage where it's just kind of moving sideways. It's not showing that there's any selling of any magnitude occurring. It's just showing that it's resting. And at this point, we don't know whether it would be going up, down, or sideways from here without the evaluation of the other indexes. The NASDAQ is still trading higher after the big day it had on Friday, your best friend's signal, implying that the uptrend is still in progress. So when we can see that one index is trading strong and the other index is trading weaker, it tells us they're just shifting funds around. They're not coming out of the market or going into the market with any new energy. The strength in the NASDAQ obviously came from the big move in Amazon on Friday. However, whether this is a tradable stock or you just use it for an indication that if they're still buying Amazon, which obviously is a major followed stock, that tells you investor sentiment is still in this market, that it hasn't disappeared. This makes analyzing patterns such as the J-hook pattern, as we see in our recommendation on Square, SQ, telling us that we're still in an uptrend with our likely target somewhere up in this range, up another 2 or 3 points to the upside. Knowing that the overall market is not moving up or down with any great resiliency, we can take advantage of each individual stock chart, seeing where the strong buying and selling is coming in particular sectors. And the strength in any sector becomes obvious when we can see a bunch of buying or a bunch of stocks in a sector acting very strong. Our recommendation on BAS was based upon the Morningstar signal in the oversold area, coming back up through the 50 and the T-line, and now in the process of breaking this downward trend channel, making the possibility of a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. The same scenario on our recommendation of RES was based principally on a big long-legged doji right here off the 50-day moving average with bullish confirmation closing above the T-line. That told us the bulls are taking control. Again, a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Whiting oil, same type of chart. Big Morningstar signal off the 50-day moving average. This is just mere common sense using candlestick signals and patterns to tell you which stocks / sectors are acting strong. Obviously, if you can see a lot of stocks in the same sector moving in the same direction, that pretty much tells you there's a lot of money flowing into that sector, which means if you're putting all your stars in alignment, knowing the market's not trading off, crude oil is trading positive, and that sector is moving positive, at least you know you're buying a position in a situation where it's not an aberration, that there's lots of money coming into that sector. Once again, candlestick analysis provides the visual identification of where the money is flowing to and puts you in situations where the probabilities of being in the right trades at the right time are extremely high. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.